There's the gold right by the shadow. There you go. Right in the middle, that's gold. And it's a pretty good sized piece. Well, hopefully that didn't knock it off, but it might have. You got a feeling it might have. If it didn't, hallelujah. Wow. Wow. Can't even see it. And that's odd because it's in there.
And you couldn't see the other one either.
Well, that's freaking awesome.
This was November 23rd, 2019, and I already found a smaller piece closer to the surface. And the signal was still there, so we kept digging. I sped this part of it up so you don't have to watch the removal of the rock. Wait until you see what's coming. This thing is awesome.
Huh.
You still can't see it?
Nope.
It's in there.
Oh my god, it's way back there, dude.
That's good.
Well, yeah, that means it's good gold.
Oh my
That's
god,
a lot
it's
of
way
it, too.
fucking back there.
Dig a bigger hole, dude.
I'm digging a bigger hole. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Because when the further in it is, the better the gold. Let's see if I can rinse that off. We're going to need more water, actually, in a minute.
You can go get that.
Right? No, we send the young guns. We're the young guns.
I run back and forth 10 times already.
3 of us are in our 50s.
Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh my god. Oh, the piece just fell out. Look at that. It fell right into my pocket. Look at that sucker. Oh my god, it's killer. Fell right into my pocket. Look at that. It's a loose crystal. They showed Tim that one. Oh, it goes in there. It's a big piece, Tim. Oh, look at that fucker.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that thing. See it? You see it?
Yes.
I can't see if I'm...
Oh my god.
Oh my god, here.
Oh, yeah.
It's there.
Triangle. Good stuff.
Come see this one, Tim.
Yep. It's pretty cool.
This is fucking amazing. Keep filming, man. Wait to see this fucker. Look how far in it is.
Oh, wow.
Look at that thing.
You're gonna have to keep going.
Tim.
That's great, man.
Oh my
You're
god.
gonna have to keep going up though.
Oh yeah. And the next shot up from here.
Take this out right here.
Yeah. Look at that thing, man. That's fucking killer, man. That's one of our best pieces. Look at the gold on this
I
thing.
know.
That fell right into my pocket. Yeah, this has got the triangles on it.
Yeah, good thing.
Oh my god, what a day. From fucking 2 blasting caps. Get a close-up shot of in place. There she is, in place. Actually, I'll do it this way. Oh, that's a good shot. That is a beautiful piece. Look at that. Super bright. Crystals. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Oh my god, look at that thing. Look at the crystals on that. Fucking A. That's a pretty fucking big piece, man. Turn your light off? Yeah. What's that?
It's plugged up.
Fucking, it just came out in my hand. There's the front side, but Tim, go ahead and wash that back side. Don't shine your light right on it. Oh, fucking hell. Oh my God, look at those crystals. That is a fucking unbelievable piece. That is just fucking unbelievable. Look at the trigons on it. Dude, that is frickin' stunning. Holy shit, Tim, look at that. This is my favorite one. And the thing that really sets the most world-class gold apart is the super bright mirror finish luster. And that is only found in a few places.